In this video, we shall cover the step-by-step guide to help you recover iMessages from iCloud differently. And even if you don't have a backup of your messages on the storage, you can try the alternative method technically for iMessage recovery. Part 1. How to restore iMessages from iCloud backup directly. Access settings on your iPhone or iPad. Find the reset option in the General section. Choose Erase all content and settings to erase iPhone. A new setup screen will appear afterward. Follow the prompts until you see Apps and Data. Select Restore from iCloud Backup. Provide your Apple ID and password to log into your iCloud account. A list of backups will appear, and you should choose the one that contains your text messages. Part 2. How to find old messages on iCloud.com. Log in iCloud.com. Go to Text Messages. If not there, no iCloud Backup. Search Messages. On iPhone, settings your name iCloud. Disabled text messages. Keep on iPhone. Enable, choose Merge. Deleted messages return after minutes. Part 3. How to recover iMessages from iCloud selectively. If you're looking for a way to selectively and fluently restore your iPhone messages from iCloud, consider using iPhone Data Recovery. This iOS recovery tool is highly regarded for its ability to restore various iOS items. How to recover iMessages from iCloud selectively via iPhone Data Recovery. Install program. Pick Recover from iCloud Backup. Sign in. Display backups. Choose one. Download to get content. After download, preview messages or message attachments. Click Recover to save on PC. Part 4. How to retrieve iMessages from iCloud on Mac. To recover data safely, sign out of iMessage apps. Close app. iCloud overwrites messages. In Finder, select Go for iCloud Library. Locate prior day's messages file. Restore iMessages from backup files.